Hello, my name is Markus Mahl. I'm product manager for our new SimpleFlex solution, and today I will show you how easy it is to have your customized HMI for your application. This I demonstrate now on a real case that we have done. If you look here, we have just to show here e-charging station. And what was the challenge from our customer? He came to us and said, hey, we need to have a ruggedized solution because it's outside. And it should be with PCAP for touching, and it should have RFID inside, and it should have low power, and it should be adapted to our needs to have a working solution. But another point was they had no development resources to start. So it came to us, and the SimpleFlex board is really nice for that because it offers you a complete ready board to start, very flexible because it's based on smart modules, so you can choose the right performance you need. In that case, they chose a very low power NXP i.MX8 mini module. Because it's low power, it has only up to 7 watts and really perfect for outdoor solution. And from interfacing, we can adapt the LVDS display and even RS232 for communication for his internal things and an RS485 interface. Another point, very important, was to have the connection to if a charging station is connected. I can demonstrate here. This is just for demonstrating. You see the lights are going on. And what's easy as well, the RFID reader to demonstrate. Here you see the charging station with our video. But if you go with the RFID reader, you see, hey, that's my car. I can start charging. So it's really working. Or if you go with the next car, you have another point here. Yeah, that's it. But as you can see, this was the computer part. What's with the display part? It's not always very easy to integrate the display solution, and therefore we have, additionally to the SimpleFlex solution, we have the SimplePlus solution. And what does mean SimplePlus? SimplePlus is in that case a 10.1-inch display with PCAP for outdoor use and already adapted to the usage in outdoor. And this can be done very fast with optimization of the glass and everything that we can done very short, because they can start with a standard solution and then later on we adapt it to it. And there you see the 10.1-inch solution, but we even have a 12.1 or a 7-inch solution available from stock. And this enables you to really start from scratch with a ready delivered solution. And already after 90 days, you have a production ready solution available in hand. So let me summarize. In this application, we delivered to the customer a really working solution within 90 days for validation. This was possible because of our SimpleFlex and SimplePlus that we offered, and we reduced the time to market, and already 60 days after approval of our solution, our customer can start with mass production. This was really great. Thank you very much for your time and hope to see you soon.